Hi there, I'm Pete Liebertrue, Product Manager for Lifts for Hunter Engineering. Really proud to introduce the new RX14KL. The RX14KL introduces a 195-inch two-wheel alignment wheelbase. What this does is gives you more runway surface to do rolling compensation on those long bed crew cab pickup trucks, the F350s and the like, and gives you more wheelbase range into the medium duty and those last mile delivery vans that are so popular on the roads today. When we lengthened the RX14 family, we did so in such a way that we kept our same class leading 88 to 168 inch four-wheel alignment wheelbase. So you still get the same four-wheel alignment wheelbase, but you'll also get that extended two-wheel alignment wheelbase. The way we were able to do this is by positioning our turn plate pockets up front on the majority of the vehicles. About 95% of them will be positioned up front, but if you need to, you can very quickly transition turn plates to the back and be able to do that 88-inch wheelbase vehicle. The RX14 is our surface-mounted variation, and its 14,000-pound capacity still retains that 10.75-inch stack height, but we also offer a 16,000-pound flush mount variation that also has this new 195-inch two-wheel alignment wheelbase. So the RX14 and RX16 families get longer for more capability. Thank you.